How to create a new account for FBS. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. In this video, we will be learning how you can create a new account on FBS in just a few simple steps. First of all, launch open a web browser and type in fbs.com in the search bar and search. You'll find yourself in the official homepage for FBS. From the home screen, go to the top right corner and click on this Open Account button. Select your country of residence from the drop-down or type in your country's name, and on the next page, you'll get to register for a new account. When registering, you can sign up with your email or using one of the social accounts at the bottom of the screen. I'm just going to enter the full name and a valid email address in the text box and click register. Make sure that you enter the email that is accessible by you. Now, go ahead and create a password for your account. Write down the password, which will be easier for you to remember and difficult for others to guess. After entering a new password, repeat the new password in the next field. Once the password matches, click on Create Password. Now on the next page, to complete your registration, open up your email service provider's inbox on a new tab. Click Open the email from FBS and click on Confirm Email. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to verify your email and you have successfully created a new account for FBS. Now go ahead and enter your date of birth on the next page as soon as you're inside this profile settings and click Save. And you have now successfully completed your registration and you are in the home page. The next step is to get yourself verified for full access to trading, unlimited deposits and withdrawals, and bank card transactions. Click on Get Verified and follow through the on-screen instruction to complete it. So there you have it. That is how you can easily sign up for a new account on FBS. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.